Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to read a few pages from this book. It's a nonfiction book called Amazing Forces and Movement. The author is Sally Hewitt. Today you are going to practice drawing and writing one important thing the author taught us today. Let's get started. Falling. A skydiver jumps from an airplane and falls through the air. Gravity pulls the skydiver down to the ground. Things fall down because of a natural force called gravity. When a parachute is released, air pushes up on the parachute and slows the skydiver's fall. A parachute slows a skydiver's fall and stops him or her from hitting the ground too hard. Your turn. Drop a piece of paper. How does it fall? Now crumple it and drop it again. How does it fall now? When you're done dropping your two pieces of paper, why do you think the author wanted you to do that? What did they want you to learn? Boys and girls, please pause the video and get this exit ticket if you do not have one. Once you have your exit ticket, please write your name at the top with a pencil. In the box, I want you to draw one important thing the author taught us today. Then over on these lines, you can write to tell what you learned about.